Modernity is a crucial part of India. We have built metros, satellite, and smart cities. We rise with ambition, grow with technology, but as Indians, we are among the rare few blessed with a second gift, a legacy written not by kings or architects but by nature itself. Yes, India's natural heritage, a living, breathing monument that doesn't need a plague because it's the evidence of its own wonder. And as they say, no matter how far you go in life, if you aren't grounded, it all becomes hollow. In the same way, progress is precious, but being rooted in nature, that's complete us. So today, let's begin a journey not just through forests and rivers, but through the soul of India itself. I want you all to feel this incredible journey, so stay tuned at last in the video. Let's begin. So basically, all the beauty of nature that we are able to enjoy today as a present is just because of some of our heroes. यहाँ मैं फिल्म वाले heroes की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, but our real natural heroes की बात कर रही हूँ. That behind every green mile stands a human guardian, a soul who choose the wild over comfort. Our number one, Jim Corbett saved Bengal tigers from extinction, by India's first national park. इन्हीं के नाम पे जिम कॉर्बेट पार्क, इनको ऑनर करने के लिए जिम कॉर्बेट पार्क का नाम रखा गया है. और नंबर सेकेंड इज सलीम अली, इंडियाज बर्डमैन जिन्हें कहा जाता है. His survey laid the foundation for bird conservation across region. On number third we have Sundarlal Bahuguna, led the Chipko movement where villagers hung trees to prevent deforestation. On number 4, MS Swaminathan connected conservation with food security, creating balanced, sustainable everyday heroes जिन्हें हम कह सकते हैं who live with forest, not on it. So basically, thanks to all these guys and Ministry of Forestry that we are able to experience the ethereal beauty of our nature. Forests do not ask for much, only that we let them live. They have healed us, taught us, fed us. It's our turn to give back. Let's not become a generation that only preserved monuments in stone but forget the temples of bark and leaf. This documentary is not just a story, it's an evidence of what still survives, of what still breathes, and it's a reminder if we protect it today, our children will inherit not just building but beauty. कहीं ऐसा ना हो, just like today we read about dinosaurs, giants that once ruled the earth. Imagine if our future generation only read about forest the same way as something that once existed. So it's India's natural heritage, a documentary that's the evidence of its own wonders. Signing off, Muskan Daksha. Thanks for watching.